In today's video, we'll dive into how to set up SuiteDash for membership and subscription-based businesses. SuiteDash is a powerful platform that can help streamline your operations, but let's be honest, it's not always the easiest to get started with. Stay tuned until the end, because not only will we cover exactly how to set it up for your business, but I'll also show you some alternatives that might actually serve your needs better. You don't want to miss this. First things first, after you've logged into SuiteDash, the first thing you want to do is configure your settings to fit your business model. Head to the admin panel, and from there, you'll need to customize your branding, payment settings, and user permissions. For subscription-based businesses, you'll want to ensure you've connected your payment gateway. SuiteDash supports PayPal and Stripe, but this isn't always intuitive. It might take a little trial and error, so make sure to test it before you go live. Next, set up your membership levels. This is where SuiteDash shines for membership businesses. Go to the membership section under your CRM settings, and here, you can create different tiers for your subscriptions. Each tier can have custom content, pricing, and benefits. This flexibility is great, but I found that it can be a bit overwhelming with all the options. You may want to start with just 2 or 3 membership levels to avoid confusion for your clients. The third thing to do is create your automated workflows. SuiteDash lets you automate processes like sending welcome emails, invoice reminders, or even assigning tasks to your team. This feature is fantastic for efficiency, but it can be complicated to set up. You'll want to go to the Automation tab and create triggers based on actions like membership signups or recurring payments. Don't forget to test each workflow to make sure everything works as expected. The fourth thing you'll want to focus on is customizing your client portal. This is where your members will interact with your business. SuiteDash allows you to brand the portal, but it's important to make it intuitive for your users. Make sure it's easy to navigate and consider adding a support section or FAQ to improve the user experience. It's easy to get lost in all the customization options, so keep it simple at first. Now let's talk about the fifth thing, the reports and analytics. SuiteDash offers detailed reporting features that let you track memberships, payments, and activity within your business. While it's nice to have this data, I've found the reporting interface to be a bit clunky. It's not as visually appealing as other platforms out there, and it could use some improvement for clarity. Still, it's functional, and if you're willing to invest the time to get used to it, you can gather valuable insights. Finally, you'll want to set up your recurring billing. In the SuiteDash billing section, you can create subscription plans with automatic billing. You can choose to bill weekly, monthly, or yearly. However, if you're running a more complex subscription model, the setup here can be a bit tricky. Some competitors offer more advanced billing options, so I'd say be cautious about the limitations you might hit down the road. Now, I know that SuiteDash offers a lot of customization options, but it's not the easiest platform for newcomers. The learning curve is steep, and while it has solid features, it can feel like you're juggling too many things at once. Plus, it's a bit heavy on the backend setup. So, before you dive in headfirst, I want to tell you about some other tools that might serve you better for membership and subscription-based businesses. Through the link below, you can get exclusive and extended access to SuiteDash, but I also recommend checking out some alternatives that may be a better fit for your goals. These platforms also come with free trials and will help you manage your subscription or membership-based business without all the headaches. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out the link for the best free trial offer and exclusive benefits.